Madalas nating marinig yung idea ng getting out of our comfort zone. And sabi nila, good things happen when you get out of your comfort zone. But recently, nagkaroon ako ng ibang perspective about this saying. The most uncomfortable idea, yung talagang hindi ko matanggap dati, is the idea of, I can't. Yung idea na hindi ako magaling at hindi ko kaya. Paano ba naman lumaki ako at exposed sa mga media na nagsasabi na, I can and nothing is impossible to me. Mga self-empowering idea. Pero yun nga, as a Christian, I have to get out of my comfort zone. And tanggapin na I can't. I'm limited. I'm not omniscient. I'm not good. And yun yung time na nagkaroon ako ng freedom. And it's really a life of surrender and dependence on God. Aaminin ko, hindi siya madali. Kasi pag na-anxious ako, ang tendency ko is to trust on my limited self. I have to get out of my comfort zone and trust God. Madalas na